tell me nothing. Can't tell. Stiff wear, ball wear, shake bitch. Hey guys, your girl is back. I'm gonna give y'all a hair review. Okay. This hair that's in my head is from IC Beauty Hair. It is their Mongolian Kinky Curly. 3 bundles of 22 inches in my hair and an 18-inch closure, y'all. I purchased these bundles along with my old closure, which I'm going to show y'all in a minute, in March. And it's December. And I really love this hair, y'all. Like, this hair is my favorite. This hair has became my favorite curly hair. I recommend this hair to any curly girl out there that wants to just curly hair. I made this into a wig in March. And then I had to remake the wig because my closure started balding. And I'm going to show y'all everything, all that stuff. That was my only problem with the hair company at the time. The closure was balding. The closure looked bald. When I bought the closure, it just was like so hard to like fix it and figure it out because it was already bald in the front. Like, this closure had so much hair in the front, but that old closure literally didn't have that much hair in the front, and it was just like bald like in different places like this closure literally is bomb. This new closure, I repurchased it like last week or whatever, and it came to me in 2 days, so shipping is super stupid fast. Their customer service is also really amazing. If you have any questions, you can like contact them. They're really good with customer service and shipping. And so I repurchased this closure because I really love the bundles. I really love the curly hair. I really love the company altogether. I just had a bad closure. So, like, that was it. This closure now is, like, the bomb, y'all. Like, I'm just loving this hair all over again. The closure is, like, 10 times soft. Like, it just, look at this. Like, it's so soft. I'm going to wet it, though. So. And this hair is so low maintenance, y'all. Like, literally, I don't have to do too much to it at all. I just wet and go. Like, literally, I haven't put any product on this hair since I washed it, and it just, look at the curls. Like, can y'all see them? Look at that. Look at those curls, y'all. Look at those curls. Yeah, this hair is just so bomb, and I'm just so obsessed with it. This is what it looks like wet, and this is what it looks like dry. Whatever, it's not drenched, but this is completely dry. This is like wet. I will link the whole entire bundle deal, everything down below. I don't exactly remember how much it was because when I bought it, they were having a sale. So I think it was like $150 something for my hair, but I think it's now like $170 something. But it's totally worth it. They have sales all the time too. So their bundles are really good. Like, when I tell y'all, these bundles have lasted me since March, y'all. Mind y'all, I put heat on this hair. When I tell you I put a lot of heat on this hair, I put so much heat on this hair. I use stove curlers, any type of flat iron you can think of, any type of heat level of flat iron you can think of, like 450 past 450. Like, I was doing this hair dirty with the heat, y'all, and the curls bounced back. I'm just like, like, literally, when I was washing my hair, I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe the curls came back. And I bleached this hair as well. I don't know if y'all can see it because my closure isn't bleached. I didn't bleach the ends of my closure yet. But I bleached the ends of my bundles and my old closure blonde. And the ends are just amazing. Like, they're not dry. They don't look dry. Hair doesn't shed too much, but it's curly hair, so it does get tangled like this. But this is literally the only tangles you're going to get out this hair. And you can literally just do like this and be good. Like, seriously, the hair is not bad at all. It's some of the best curly hair I've ever had. I bought hair from expensive ass companies. I'm not going to say no names, but and that shit just bullshit, and I don't have it no more because it's bullshit. So this hair is literally the best curly hair ever, and if you really want some bomb curly hair, go to IC Beauty Hair. I'm not being sponsored. I bought this re-bought the closure with my own money. I bought the bundles with my own money. So, like, this is not a sponsored video at all. Go get your bundles. Like, I'm trying to put everybody on to the fabulous life. I'm gonna show you the back. I really shrunk it in the back because I haven't detangled this hair. Like, I didn't really go through and detangle it. I just wet the top. I don't have any really bad shedding problems. When I wash this hair, I don't have any bad shedding problems. It didn't get bone straight, but that wasn't my thing. Like, I didn't really care that it wasn't bone straight. I just wanted to see if I could just wear it straight or whatever, and I could, and it looked really good straight. This is what the 22 inches look like lengthwise. And this is what the 18-inch looks like lengthwise. Their customer service, all that amazing, shipping fast. I'm gonna show you what the closure came in, what my old closure looked like, and the package and all that. Be back. This is what my closure came in when I rebought it. It just came in this little bag or whatever. This is what my old closure looked like, y'all. Becky was fucking bald, period. It's still straightened because I had the hair straight, so this is kind of like what it looked like, but I had flexi wadded it too. And look at this, like, look at the bald spots, y'all. Like, what? Like, it looks like a dog ate it. Like, hell no, hell no, hell no. But when I first bought this closure, it was already kind of bald at the very front, like right here, like around here. There was never any hair right there when I bought this closure, so it just was like so hard for me to really like figure out how to wear it and work it because this shit was bald. But this closure came to me and it was so full, you know. I was actually able to pluck it when I got this closure. That shit was like pre-plucked and over plucked. I made this wig myself. They gave you lashes, they gave you free lashes. These are so cute. There was this thank you card in there, and it just says IC. My mom folded it like a book. And the inside is just like their customer service stuff, their Instagram, and like how to wash your hair and take care of it or whatever. When I bought the bundles, this is what the bundles came in. It came in this IC hair box, this black box. So cute and simple. Came in, look at the little tag, it's so cute. They came in the net or whatever, you know, most hair weaves come in nets. And then they gave you another little thank you card with your bundle. I'm gonna make my thumbnail. Oh shit. That's my better side. So y'all, that was that. This hair, literally a bomb. Like, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I should include or whatever about the hair. Cons would have had to just been that closure, but now I got a new one. It's curly hair, it's gonna shed. It's curly hair, it's gonna tangle, but literally it's better than any other curly hair I've ever had. And people always thinking this is my real hair. Like, literally I just was at the market and this lady was like, your hair is so beautiful, like I wish I had hair like you. And I'm just like, you can. God, it's so soft. Like, it's so soft. Like, I just better. You want this hair? Go get it. I'm gonna put everything in the description box, all the links, all important information down below. Go get it. And I fucks with IC Beauty. I love their company. I just love their hair, like, and I'm pretty sure their other hair textures are just as amazing as this one, and I'm gonna check it out, so you should check it out too. This is literally my honest opinion on the hair. Like, no moolah, nothing. No, nothing is swaying my decision or my feelings about this hair. So yeah, go get it. If you guys have any more questions about this hair or the company, I will link their Instagram and all their customer service stuff in my description box as well. But if you want to ask me personally any questions about the hair that I may have not answered in this video or whatever, you can just DM me on Instagram, DM me on YouTube, comment down below, and I will try my best to get back to you. I did not bleach my knots, and look at them, bomb. I didn't require too much plucking because the hair was already kind of like spaced out and plucked enough. This is a 4x4 closure. Part looking pretty nice. If you have any questions, I can just answer the questions because I really don't know what else to say about this hair. Just that it's a bomb, period. And I had it since March. It's December. That's March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 10 months. That's almost a year. And this hair is still a banger. Everything in the description box. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Ignore my makeup on my hand. Subscribe. Comment or whatever. More video ideas. Anything else you want to see, comment it. Whoa. Turn those post notifications on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow Shell on Instagram. And any other things will be in the description box. Okay.